Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and hello everyone and welcome to my channel Saad. Today my almost ninth lecture of compiler designing course. So in this we discuss about how can we converting a C++ language course or a simple C++ language course into a assembly language. So according to the paper point of view, most of the chances one question is occur like according to this pattern, like C++ code converting into assembly language, and also find out the cost of the syntax and so on. So we can start like you can say may just write two strings like a equivalent to 5 and let's suppose a equivalent to a plus 1. So this one is a string 1, this one is a 1, this one is a 2. So these are the two strings. So how can we implement it all of these you can say C++ code. You can also terminate using a terminator sign. So in this, how can you implement it C++ code into a assembly language course? According to the paper point of view, may just revising some basic concept of assembly language like AL, like register, used for a register to store a variable, store variable, storing a variable, and like move for shifting, and like add, use for addition, and so these are the basic concept of assembly language. Move for, use for like a equivalent to 5. So you can just saving this into a. So how can implementing this logic into the assembly language course? Let's start. So these are the two strings, this one is a 1 and this one is a 2. You can just declare like move al comma 5. It means this 5 move means shift into a al, and next one is like move a into al, and move this register also moving towards the a. And now we implementing this logic like add al 1. It means add means operator use at the starting point, at the initial point, like add a means al means it means 5 plus 1. This logic is implementing here like add al 1. It means 5 plus 1 equivalent to 6. And now move a al. You can just implementing all of these logic like move al 5 plus 1 equivalent to 6. According to this symbol, add this one 5 plus 6 and 6 also assigning to al, register al, and al assigning to a. It means, so may I write here like all code like move al 5, move a to al, add al 1 and move a. So this register containing a 0 cost, and this one containing a 1 cost, and this one move containing a one cost. So total cost like 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So this one is a 0, this one is a 1, and 1 is also 2, like 1 and 1. And this one is also 1, and this one is a 0 and 1 equal to 2, and this one is a 1, 1 and 0 is also 2. So the total cost of this like 2 plus 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the total cost is 8. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing and just commenting, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Yes.